All right, let's talk about assignment 4. If you're in the online class, you should watch the video for how to understand political
Political cartoons.
cartoons. And if you are not, then I haven't assigned that. But let's just talk about what I am looking for from assignment 4. You'll notice that in the assignment information, I have given you a Bloom's taxonomy chart. And Bloom's taxonomy is basically just a teaching theory that says that our ultimate goal when we are teaching should be to get students to move from just remembering information to being able to create information based on what they have. So remembering information is the lowest level, um, and right above remembering is understanding, and that is that you actually are able to explain and identify the information. Applying is next. Applying is that you can actually take the rote information that you remembered and understand and interpret it. And I have you doing a lot of applying in your on your exams, and I have you doing a lot of the next level, which is analyzing in our other assignments and on exams as well. Evaluating is not only looking at the ins and outs and comparing them and contrasting them, but actually determining if they're good or bad. Really appraising them, arguing them, defending them. And I had you do quite a bit of that in assignment 2. But assignment 4, as we are getting to the end of the course, I am looking for you to create if you are going to be drawing, or analyze and evaluate if you are going to be writing. So you have 3 choices for assignment 4. One is that you will analyze the author's bias of a nonfiction show. Fiction means it's made up, so not Scandal, or I can't even think of another show. How to Get Away with Murder or something. But something like Meet the Press, Face the Nation, even The Daily Show, because The Daily Show is taking a look at real events and basically analyzing them. Fox and Friends, Rachel Maddow. So we're looking at shows that come on Sunday mornings, or that come on in the evenings, and because the people that are giving that information usually are very opinionated, and that's what we want. You can also use a news article. You can look at an online article. And what I'm asking you to do is look for the author's bias. So we have done quite a bit of work leading up to this, looking at bias in the discussion board. And so I am wanting you to go and say, this demonstrates the author's or the speaker's bias. So the person said, I hate Republicans. Well, maybe that person has an anti-Republican bias. The person said liberals are all going to hell. Well, maybe this person has a religious bias and an anti-liberal bias. So you give me specific examples of what they said that shows their bias. So you're analyzing. And or you can create an original cartoon. And so this is from your head and your hand. This is not looking at somebody else's cartoon and telling me what it means. It is actually drawing a political cartoon with political commentary. The political cartoons have a definite point of view, so you are giving your point of view about a current event. So I've asked you to limit your commentary to things that have occurred since 2016, and then explain in at least one full paragraph what your cartoon means, just in case I don't get it, because I'm not in your head. I don't have your experience, so sometimes I don't get it, and there's might be something that you're very passionate about. The third option, and this is by far my favorite, but is very limited in the people that can do it. I am asking you to create, so again, top of Bloom's taxonomy, and submit the lyrics and the audio of an original song. And I literally mean that this is something you wrote. Do not go and find the lyrics of a song and say, I love this song, and give me a link to somebody's YouTube. No, this is, if you are a musician, if you are a songwriter, you are going to actually give me the lyrics and find a way to get me the audio, whether it's a YouTube link or an MP3 that you saved and uploaded. Any of those will work. And it needs to be about a current political event. So again, I am looking for you to draw on all of the knowledge that you have as you've been working through this course and apply your creation, your creative abilities to this assignment. So there just should not be any plagiarism. There's no way for, if it's an original song, there's no plagiarism. If it's an original cartoon, there's no plagiarism. If you are truly analyzing, then there shouldn't be an opportunity for plagiarism there at either. So I hope that this is fun for you. I have seen some really good political cartoons. I've heard some really good songs. I have seen some killer analysis. So I hope that you have fun with this assignment and understand clearly what I'm looking for.